Hello YouTube, this is Walter Webb. Thanks for checking out the fourth tutorial in the series Java Fundamentals. Today we're going to be discussing basic syntax for Java. Okay, case sensitivity. Java is case sensitive, which means the identifier hello and hello would have different meanings in Java. Notice hello with the uppercase H and the other hello with a lowercase. Class names. The first letter in the class name should be in uppercase. If the class name uses more than one word, the first letter of each word should be capitalized. For example, this would be a class called Java Program. Notice how the first letter is uppercase and there's another uppercase letter which represents a second word. When you put two words together, you capitalize the first letter of the second word. Method names. The first letter in the method name should be in lowercase. If the class name uses more than one word, the first letter of every other word should be capitalized. For example, this is Java Program with the method first method. Notice how the first letter of the method is in lowercase, and then the second word is in uppercase, and then inside that's where you'll find the program logic. File names. The file name should match a class or the main class in the file. If this is not the case, the program will not compile. The file name also ends with .java. And here's an example: Java program.java. So inside of a file called Java, any file with any .java file, there has to be a class in it that has the name of the file. So Java Program must have a class inside of it called Java Program, or else it will not compile. You can have more than one class within one file, but you have to have a class called Java Program inside of it. Comments. These are notations made in code that are ignored by the compiler, which means it does not have any effect on the program. Comments are mainly used for making the program easier to read and debug. There are no restrictions on what comments are used for. So there are two types of comments. There is the single line comment that looks like this, two slashes, and then you write whatever you want to write. And then there is the block or multi-line comment. So in this type of comment, you can have many lines, as the name suggests. Yeah. So comments are very necessary. You need it to show exactly what is going on in the code, especially if you write some code and you put it down for maybe a week or two. Sometimes you look at it and you have no idea what's going on, and comments really is really a plain English way of describing, or any language as a matter of fact, of describing how what is going on inside of the program. Okay, so comments are very necessary. Okay, naming conventions. In Java, there are a few things to remember about names. All names begin with a letter, uppercase A to Z or lowercase a to Z, the $sign or an underscore. So you can use a $sign as the first character in a variable. You can also use an underscore. You can use it as a method name, a class name also. But that hardly ever happens, especially with the $sign. I've never seen that before, but it's legal in Java. So anyway, after the first character, a name can have any combination of characters. So you can have any character after you use a letter, a $sign or underscore as the first character. You can have any kind of character after that. This can be for a method, a variable, whatever. When I say any character, I mean any character. Colon, well, sorry, yeah, colon, not a semicolon, because that would be closing off the variable. But anyways, a dot, asterisk, percent sign, whatever. Keywords. A keyword cannot be used as a name. Java has a bunch of keywords that cannot be used for anything else in the program except for what those keywords are specified by Java for. I'm gonna put a link in the description that will show you all the keywords in Java, so just check that out. The names of components are also case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase, anything with an uppercase and lowercase, even if it's the same word, Java sees them as completely different objects. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, share, or subscribe to AutoWeb, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.